on a leave of absence. There's no How are we going to achieve this? My suggestion is that the leader of the opposition and members of the opposition go and see the Deputy Prime Minister, and all of you together see the Prime Minister and ask him to take a leave of absence. The reason why a leave of absence is important is because there are ongoing investigations. You cannot have the subject matter of investigations as the leader of the country. You will never get impartial investigations. That's the reason the leader is asked to step aside, because he also has to have a chance to clear his name. He should step aside and allow the people concerned to investigate. We must issue a statement, and I hope this joint committee will do that if they get to meet the Deputy Prime Minister. We must issue a statement that all those who are carrying out investigations must be left alone. The Prime Minister cannot give them any more instructions. That has to stop. So they must be allowed to carry on with their jobs without fear, and we must give them every protection. We must also, so I'm talking about agencies like Bangadara, MACC, etc., etc. We should name them all. Everybody has to hands off them and let them carry out their duties. Then we must protect our whistleblowers. Newspapers like The Edge, etc., etc., must be protected. We don't want all these notices being issued to them. That has to stop. The Home Minister has to hold his hand and allow the press to carry on with their duties without fear as well. Now, I also believe that it may be time for us to look at a caretaker government. In my view, it is unacceptable for the Prime Minister to leave and then the Deputy Prime Minister to take over and then things carry on as usual. Things cannot carry on as usual, because while everybody is training their guns at the Prime Minister, I would like to know who else knew about this money. They are just as culpable. So that is something that must be investigated. This is why we cannot have business as usual, even if the Prime Minister goes on a leave of absence. There has to be a unity government of sorts. That's my suggestion. And then they can move on. And there must be a promise of fresh elections within 1 year of that. We need 1 year to clean up the system. And then there must be fresh elections. Because in my view, what the evidence that we have seen so far, apart from everything else that we know, really questions the credibility of our elections. So if we are to clear that, if we are to clear that doubt, the only way is to call for fresh elections. These are the steps that I would like to propose. And I think if we're going to go out to the public, we really need to give them a concrete plan. There's no point just talking without a concrete plan. Otherwise, we've all wasted our time coming here, seriously. I think it's very important that we go out there and we have a message, we have a plan, and we appoint people to carry out the plan.